Welcome to our 5-minute video on decorating a luxury transitional kitchen. Today, we'll show you how to transform a kitchen using some stunning components that will add elegance and style to your space. Let's get started. Scene 1, Preparation. First, make sure you have all the components ready: kitchen island, kitchen cabinets, quartz or marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, under cabinet lighting, range hood, farmhouse sink, subway tile backsplash, kitchen pantry, wine fridge, built-in coffee station, open shelving, kitchen nook or breakfast bar, kitchen desk, kitchen seating, custom range, decorative molding, glass cabinet doors, and kitchen flooring. Scene 2, Layout and Design. Begin by planning the layout and design of your luxury transitional kitchen. Position the kitchen island as the centerpiece for both functionality and aesthetics. Surround it with elegant kitchen cabinets that complement your chosen decorative molding. Scene 3, Countertops and Backsplash. Next, install the stunning quartz or marble countertops, creating a luxurious and durable surface. For the backsplash, choose timeless subway tiles that add texture and charm to the kitchen. Scene 4, Appliances and Ventilation. Now, integrate the high-end stainless steel appliances into the kitchen design. Ensure you have a stylish pendant lighting fixture hanging above the kitchen island, providing both task and ambient lighting. Don't forget to install functional under-cabinet lighting for added brightness and ambience. Scene 5, Focal Points. Create focal points in your luxury kitchen. Install a statement range hood above the custom range, drawing attention to the cooking area. Add a beautiful farmhouse sink and glass cabinet doors to showcase your finest dishware. Scene 6, Functional Areas. Designate functional areas in your kitchen. Set up a well-organized kitchen pantry for storage. Incorporate a wine fridge and built-in coffee station for convenient beverage enjoyment. Create an inviting kitchen nook or breakfast bar for casual dining. Scene 7, Storage and Display. Maximize storage and display options. Add open shelving for displaying decorative items and adding a sense of openness. Integrate a practical kitchen desk for planning and organization. Scene 8, Final Touches. For the finishing touches, carefully select the appropriate kitchen seating to complement the overall design. Ensure the kitchen flooring ties everything together with its high-quality material and elegant look. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated luxury transitional kitchen. By using the right components and paying attention to the details, you can create a space that exudes sophistication and timeless elegance. Thank you for joining us, and happy decorating!